Electric mobility scooters have revolutionized the way older adults and people with disabilities can navigate their surroundings with ease and independence. The advancements in technology and design have created a new generation of electric mobility scooters that are faster, more durable, and more comfortable than ever before. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best new electric mobility scooters of 2023, considering their features, functionality, safety, and affordability. We'll highlight each scooter's key benefits and features to help you make an informed decision when purchasing your next mobility aid. So, whether you're looking for a scooter for daily commuting or leisurely rides, our list of the best new electric mobility scooters of 2023 will help you find the perfect fit for your lifestyle and needs. Prydigo. The Prydigo folding scooter is the ultimate portable and convenient mobility scooter. With a base that disassembles into 2 pieces, each weighing only about 32 pounds, the Igo is incredibly easy to transport. The seat folds neatly on top of the base with a cargo net covering, making it less than 12 inches high when separated and the seat back removed. It's even towable like a suitcase, making it an excellent choice for those who need a mobility device that's easy to take. Despite its compact size, the Igo folding scooter doesn't skimp on features. The foldable seat has a removable base cushion and seat back, and the till is telescoping and angle adjustable. The lowest position can be used for storage, while the highest is for driving and towing. The rear rubber tires are perforated, providing a smooth ride, and the lithium-ion battery is airline compliant and has a 9-mile-per-charge capacity. That's enough to ride from bow to stern more than 60 times on a single charge. The maximum speed of the Igo folding scooter is 4 miles per hour. The Igo folding scooter includes several convenient features, such as an LED headlight for low-light riding, a USB charging port in the console, and under-seat storage for small items. The spacious foot and pass-through room make it comfortable for riders of all sizes, and the 2-speed selector switch provides a customizable riding experience. The Igo folding scooter has a weight capacity of 272 pounds, making it an excellent choice for many users. Overall, the Prydigo folding scooter is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a portable and convenient mobility scooter. Rubicon FX01. The Rubicon FX01 all-wheel drive foldable mobility scooter is a game-changer for an easy-to-use and versatile mobility solution. One of the most notable features of the Rubicon FX01 is its dual 250-watt motors, which allow it to reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. It also has 3 speed levels, ranging from 3.75 miles to 12 miles per hour, making it easy to adjust to your preferred speed. The Rubicon FX01 also comes with a powerful 36-volt, 15.6 amp-hour battery that can be charged using a 100 to 240-volt, 50 to 60 Hz charger. With a charging time of just 5 to 8 hours, you can easily keep your scooter charged and ready to go whenever needed. Durability is also a priority for the Rubicon FX01. With larger 10-inch front and 8-inch rear wheels, the scooter can easily handle various terrains. It has a ground clearance of 3.75 inches and a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds, making it suitable for many users. One unique feature of the Rubicon FX01 is its manual mode switch, which allows a caregiver to push it if needed. Additionally, the back and arm rest heights are adjustable, allowing for a more comfortable and personalized experience. With a price tag of $1,199, this scooter offers a range of features that make it stand out from the competition. Metro Mobility Max Plus. Metro Mobility Max Plus is an electric mobility scooter that provides seniors and people with disabilities with a safe and efficient travel method. One of the most impressive features of the Metro Mobility Max Plus is its upgraded battery and long-lasting range. The scooter uses a powerful 300-watt motor that can reach a maximum speed of 4.97 miles per hour. It can also travel up to 16 miles per charge, more than enough for most people's daily needs. The scooter comes with a charger and two 20-amp-hour lead-acid batteries housed in a durable battery case. Another standout feature of the Metro Mobility Max Plus is its easy disassembly and portable storage. The scooter can be quickly disassembled into 4 separate sections, each of which easily fits into the trunk of a standard-sized vehicle. The scooter is equipped with headlights and rear brake lights to illuminate the road at night and warn drivers behind. The 9-inch wheels are solid and non-flat and have better puncture resistance than ordinary wheelchairs. The scooter is also more durable and lasts longer than other mobility aids. The scooter provides a high-performance operation and is easy to control, making it a pleasure to drive. It is also equipped with a basket, crutch box, cup holder, and cell phone holder, making it easy to carry personal items while on the go. The simple control panel can be operated with fingertips or thumbs, making it easy for anyone to use. With a capacity of 300 pounds and a product weight of 115 pounds, this mobility scooter is designed to accommodate a wide range of users. At $1,299, it is a worthwhile investment for anyone needing a high-quality mobility aid. Pride Revo 2.0. The Pride Revo 2.0 is an exceptional mobility scooter designed to provide riders with a comfortable, smooth, and reliable ride. This scooter is perfect for individuals who require an alternative mode of transportation due to mobility challenges, and its rugged design ensures that it can easily handle different terrains. One of the outstanding features of the Pride Revo 2.0 is its powerful suspension system. The scooter is equipped with Comfort Track suspension, which provides a smooth ride even on rough terrain. Another great feature of the Pride Revo 2.0 is its portability. The scooter can be easily disassembled for transport, making it easy to take along on trips and outings. The scooter is also designed with tie-down points for secure transportation of the unoccupied scooter. The scooter has an ergonomic deltatilla that is easy to grip and can be adjusted to suit individual preferences. The Pride Revo 2.0 also comes with an ultra-heavy-duty drivetrain with a 70-amp controller, making it possible to achieve up to 5.2 miles per hour. The scooter has a single charge mileage of up to 17.8 miles, depending on the rider's weight, making it perfect for long rides. The scooter is also equipped with various convenience features, such as an LED headlight, a USB charging port for mobile devices, and a standard front basket. These features allow riders to enjoy their ride without worrying about their mobile devices running out of battery or having to carry their belongings around. In conclusion, the Pride Revo 2.0 is an exceptional mobility scooter that offers a comfortable, smooth, and reliable ride. Zipperoo 4-wheel scooter. The Zipperoo 4-wheel mobility scooter is a top-performing mobility aid designed to enhance the quality of life of people with limited mobility. This highly versatile mobility scooter is perfect for indoor and outdoor use, with its tight turning radius and excellent power. The Zipperoo can support up to 265 pounds and travel up to 12.4 miles on a single charge, making it an ideal companion for anyone who desires independent and active living. One of the standout features of the Zipperoo is its comfortable seating, which is easily adjustable to ensure maximum comfort for riders of all sizes. The swivel seat also makes it easy to get on and off the scooter, while the ample storage space, including a sturdy basket, provides convenience and flexibility for storing personal belongings and shopping bags. Transportation of the Zipperoo is also a breeze. with the ability to easily disassemble the mobility scooter into 5 lightweight, foldable, and transportable pieces. The folding tilla and removable seat make it possible to fit into the trunk of standard-size vehicles, making it SAW-approved for air travel. The straightforward controls of the Zipperoo are easy to use and understand, with everything within reach of the rider. The control panel allows riders to easily steer, change direction, check battery range, reverse, turn on the headlights, use the horn, and set a maximum speed using the tilla. In summary, the Zipperoo 4-wheel mobility scooter is a top-performing mobility aid that offers users excellent performance, comfort, and convenience. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your search for the perfect mobility scooter. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more information on each scooter featured in this video. These products offer a range of features and benefits to meet the needs of any individual looking for an electric mobility scooter. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on the latest mobility technology. Thank you for being so supportive, and we'll see you in our next video.